Hari Om, begin each day listening to the most auspicious sound in the universe. Yoga of True Renunciation of Action, Chapter 5, Shloka 13. Mentally renouncing all actions and fully self-controlled, the embodied one rests happily in the city of 9 gates, neither acting nor causing others, body and senses to act.
Chapter 5, Shloka 13. Sarvakarmani manasa sanyasyaste sukham vashi navadvare pure dehi naiva kurvanna karayan.
Chapter 5, Shloka 13. The attitude of a self-controlled man is described now. We have the gross body and the subtle body. The gross body is the house for the subtle body. It has 9 openings in it. There are 7 openings on the face and 2 on the trunk below. The openings on the face are the 2 eyes, 2 ears, 2 nostrils and 1 mouth. The openings on the trunk are the genital organ and the excretory organ. Like a king lives in the fort and by his mere presence the work of the kingdom goes on, similarly the Atma lives in the body, which is compared with a city of 9 gates. By its mere presence, all the organs on the body and inside the body function properly. A sannyasi is not only detached from the physical body but also from his subtle body, and so is free from all unintelligent and thoughtless activities. Therefore, any person who has developed self-control and integrated his personalities within by acting without ego and egocentric desires comes to enjoy a peace within which is independent of the outer things, beings and circumstances. His joy, peace and contentment springs from the very depths within. Such a person is an observer who neither acts nor causes others to act. He has understood without doubt that it is only matter that acts, though in the presence of the Atma, which does nothing. More in the next shloka in the next video. To understand Gita, join Chinmaya Mission study group in your area. There are over 300 Chinmaya Mission centers in the world. Kindle Life is the first text prescribed in the scheme of study by Swami Chinmayananda himself. Watch Ranjod Kalra's videos on Kindle Life online. see this video clipping again and again till you can answer the following questions.